Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add business info on the Invoice Maker application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, tap on the Invoices button and click on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on Settings, click on My Business Info. Then you can add your business name. You can type in your business address, so you have the street name, then the city, postcode, and the country should be selected, and you can add additional information such as your email address. Your phone number can be added too, and the link to your website. If you are done, click on the done button and everything will be updated automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.